or what exactly high value payment system is. But if anybody want to go through in detailed way what exactly how value payment system works and what are the messages involved in that, so you have to go to the Swift My Standard website. In My Standard, definitely you have to pay for this access and everything, so it's chargeable. You have to see there is under high value payment system, this guideline is available of high value payment system, right? And those are the messages like 52, 53, 54, 60. Those are many messages are affected by this high value payment system. It's mentioned here. I have already downloaded one of the this website here of high value payment system. Okay, it's already been downloaded, which is look like this here, you can say. So this is the complete I will just maximize this. Okay, high value payment system. And what is plus? Plus is means is compatible with ISO 20022. That's why it's plus sign. Okay, so now the next draft is on February 26 already there. But what at high level I want to tell you what is high value payment system. So if anyone has work on CBPR payment, right? ISO 20022 messages, it is almost similar to your CBPR payment, but only in high value payment system we are doing this payment transfer within the country. Okay, intra bank transfer. We are not moving outside of the country. So local banks are mostly involved in that. Local banks and their clearing system is involved in that part. The best example, if I say to you about which is the best example of high value payment system, then you understand more what exactly I'm talking. Just a minute, I'm just referring this with you. High value payment system best example is your Fedwire, then your chaps, backs. Okay, those are the best example. Let me open another one. It's not mentioned here. Uh, Give me a second. Let me show you what are the best example. Anyways, I'm going to describe this also in some time. This architecture of high value payment system is I'm going to discuss with you. But I'm just thinking where did I put this one high value payment system for you. The best example of this one, it's okay, just here. That's the difference of what is CBPR and what is this one. Uh, I have showed, yeah, it's here, not here, here. CAMT 29 implementation guideline. This is just now we saw self-learning, not this one. Mostly the target to, right? Target to also come into the, no, not target to, sorry. Fedwire, backs, chaff system are come under this. Okay, I don't know where I kept it, but it was there. What other things are involving, right? So at very high level, this see HVPS, high value payment system, PMPG, it's a payment market practice group which is used for write down the all SWIFT rules. Cross border payment already discussed with you. CMPI, committee for market infrastructure, those also decide the rules of this high value payment system. Right. Next, which I want to tell you, okay, what are the use of this, why it is important? That is not theory questions. We don't want to involve in that. Okay, what is the main content of high value payment system? So already if you have seen ISO 222, any message, it is the header part, right? Header is message. Header is called business application header always. Then packs 8, FI to FI customer credit transfer, packs 9.4. So everything is as good as your CBPR payment. CBPR ISO 222. Okay, same message. This is cancellation message. Everything is used in same here, right? Okay. Now, what are the impacted messages for HVPS? Every much is impacted. All the messages are impacted. So no need of explanation of this because we are going to see. Okay. Did I close this web portal? If I close this, I will open once again for you the guideline. Sorry guys, I have just missed somewhere where exactly I kept this guideline. Anyway, okay, my main aim was today to describe with you the framework of high value payment system and how it is working. So let me maximize it. Okay. I hope you can see this diagram correctly, but yeah. Okay, what I was saying that in global landscape, the impacted countries and impacted payment schemes are CHAPS, which is broadly used by in UK country, target to European. Okay, meaning of high value payment, try to understand. High value payment means we are transferring the payment within a country, okay, within a same country, and within a same country and within a same currency. That's the main motto of this high value payment system. And CBPR payment outside the country and different currencies. That's a simple one, right? So here you can say CHAPS is UK, target to Fedwire, then Boch NAT not is for Japan, MEP plus for Singapore, RITS for Australia, and high value payment system for India. Right? So those are the system we use, the landscape we use for transferring the money in within a HVPS. Now, if you see, so normally when we see ISO 20022 only we consider US, but see here, if you see ISO is all adapted in high value payment system. If you see the last column here, they already mentioned that high value payment system. Even in India, we are using this HVPS payment for transferring within the India. So next time if your payment is moving inside within India, right? So apart from UPI, so think that they are using high value payment system. Similarly, in USA, mostly popular is Fedwire. We are using USA Fedwire reserve system. So those are his only. Right. So that's a landscape of global high value payment system which they are using. Now, what is HVPS and all this? So these are very basic theories. I don't want to take in so much detail. Stands for high value payment system. These are real time gross settlement system, RTGS system, right? Real time gross settlement means we are not doing netting here. Whatever the payment is going, it's we are transferring the same time. We are not doing the netting concept. Netting concept is called RTNS payment, and this is called RTGS payment, real time gross settlement, right? Okay, in India, if you're doing this payment, RBI has to be involved here. Like UK, we are using Bank of England. In Europe, we have Target 2 or EBA1, EBA2. There are many clearing agencies are there in European zone. Like Fedwire is involved in USA. Okay, rates in Australia. So in similar case, these are the clearing system critical. Okay, then key characteristics: real time RTGS, individual payment facility, control bank, 24 by 7, ISO 222 compliance, that is there. Okay, so don't want to discuss in that. That is theoretical part about high value payment system. Right. So what is the standardization? So if you compare with ISO 222 CBPR message, all the rules, regulations, everything is matching to here. Rich in data, end-to-end reference for tracking payment, and based on that, you can track your payment, right? Anywhere in the India, anywhere in the world, you can say. Interoperability, you can now using a same language of ISO, so everybody can understand the payment because once CB sorry for that CBPR payment land in the country, it has to change its text XMLs, right? So it no need to change now. CBPR and ISO and HVPS payments are almost similar, having content of it. We are going to that also. We are going to discuss that also in some time. Transparency, future readiness. Okay, those are the simple thing, right? So high value payment system settlement methods are here. Real time gross settlements, like I say, payer is sending message to pay and high value payment system settlement ensure individual real time message is been transferred. Then deferred and hybrid, those are many methods of system. We are not going to go in so much detail now. This video may be too longer. I have already created 4 hours of session for this one. Links and everything is given in my in description here. You can contact me if you want that complete session for this one. Then what are the risks involved in high value payment? Risk management, how this take care? Credit risk, liquid risk, operational risk, cyber security, these all are common one. Okay, no need to explain this in too much detail. And modes of availability 24 by 7, 24 by 5. Okay, this also not any important. Message exchange acknowledgement, right, we know, right, we are using pax 2, pax 4 or pax 20 now, sorry, cam 29 for acknowledgement. Similarly here also we are using high value payment system. Pax 4 we are using for reject and return messages in high values and validation, right? And pax 2 for settlement system. So those here also the same for he. Okay, Next one is liquidity management in in highway payment. Liquidity is control, liquidity optimization. This is not required for now. Okay, come to the operating architecture diagram. So if you have seen already my videos, we have discussed about CBPR payment, right? Here also same thing. Participant bank or participant bank, we are no more calling as a bank or our agents are sending payment via access secure layer. You can say the access layer, right? And it is transfer from the secured gateway. We call them schemes, and it will go to the high value payment core engine. It will read the XML data inside that. Okay, after that with settlement agency it clear the payment, real time calculation happen. Okay, and auditing and reporting happen. This is happen inside the architecture of this. This is very high level architecture. The low level architecture, it is not available with me now. I could not explain this one. Okay, key objective what I want to discuss now. Okay, let's see packs to. Okay, now this is the one of the good flow, how this end-to-end payment happen in high value payment system. So payment initiation happen as good as same. So payment initiation normally happen in pane 001, pane 001, then packs 8 messages, right? Validation and syntax check happen uh, as good as normal, similar way. Then business and participant checks happen, which is in a header part. Liquidity reservation check happen, risk screening and RTGS is happening, then confirmation. Okay, almost similar. But if you see, this is a message which is involved in it. Okay, initiation of payment is pack set message, then financial credit transfer, then pax 2 is used for status reporting, pax 4 for payment return, cancellation of message, pax 7, CAMT 4 for bank to customer debit credit notification, CAMT 50 is for cancellation. But anybody can tell me what is the CAMT, what is the message has been sent before canceling the payment of CAMT 56? Might be you can comment here if before if you know this answer. Those messages called CAMT 55. CAMT 55 is a cancellation message which is converted to CAMT 56, and 29 is an investigation message. Right? It's almost similar to your high value payment low, sorry, your ISO 20022. So that's the ecosystem for your. Okay, and common messages are used, all the messages which are supported in ISO 20022. These are all messages can be used in your in high value payment system as well. Okay, so this is the your flow of your high value payment system. I don't want to take this video too longer. You can comment me for the all the, because I as I told you I'm recording all the sessions. All the sessions are available with you, so I can share with you. Okay, or this link here. So for today we are going to stop here. I am going to come with a new video tomorrow, maybe 19th of August, right? So this is I thought to discuss with you about high value payment system. We'll come back again tomorrow with a new discussion.